presenting a pre-owned 2019 Rolls-Royce Phantom. This four-door sedan has a 12-cylinder, 6.8-liter V12 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable transmission. This Rolls-Royce has less than 51,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.